Okay. So these are the topics that we are going to see. So I'll start with the first topic, that is, can we have other systems? Can we have other number systems? Applications or why in use? Okay. So इसका answer is pretty simple. We don't use other number systems other than binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. But yes, you can have. उसमें there is nothing special about those number system. Let's say I say pental number system, for example. Suppose pental number system. Can you tell me how many digits this will have?
5, sir.
5.
5 digits. What will be the digits allowed?
0 to 4, sir.
0 to 4, correct. 0 to 4, right? So let's say if I write 452, is it a valid pental number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because last
Because
maximum digit
5
can
is
be
there, sir.
4 only. So this is not a valid. So let's say, for example, you have 431 in pental and you have to convert it into, let's say, decimal. How will you do? Binary होता था तो क्या करते थे? In expanded form notation, 4 into 2 to the power 3 plus 3 into 2 to the power वैसे करके. So here digits is 5, so this will vary in the powers of 5. So we can write 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by. So this will be 25 fours are 100 plus 15 plus 1, which is equals to 116 in decimal. So I am not saying that this number is in use. This number system is not in use, but rules of conversion remain same. But general rules of conversion remain same. ठीक है? Similarly, if you have to convert from decimal to pental, तो क्या करोगे? Division method, and we will be dividing successively by which number? किस number से successive division होगा? हाँ? Yes, tell me.
For pental, sir.
For pental, let's say if I write
By 5, sir.
5, of course 5. So you will write मान लो तुम्हारा 789 in decimal. इसमें तुम्हें if you have to convert in pental, what will you do? Successive
Divide by 5.
हाँ, successive division by 5 and arrange remainders in reverse order. Maximum remainder possible will be 4 remainders in reverse order. So this method can be used for any. Okay, this rule can be used for any number system, though the commonly used number system or the most prevalent number systems are only 4 or 5 that we have seen. But if anybody says ki I'll use only number system which will have only quadruple number system, let's say 4 digits or something, kuch bhi, hexal number system, heptal number system. Okay, just hold on a minute. I'm getting one call. Yeah, sorry. I hope you all are able to listen because some teachers are saying they are having problem with Teams. Am I audible clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe it's the internet connections.
That's what I said, Ki. Some problem may be there. Okay, so what I'm trying to suggest in general is that you can have any type of number system. The rules of the game will remain the same. Okay, that is expanded form notation for your moving from, let's say, from any number system to decimal, and then your successive division method by that number of digits when you are converting from decimal to that number system. Okay, so just understand this logic. If at all anybody asks, you will be able to answer the question. Okay. Is it fine? Shall we move on to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो कुछ नया ये देख लेते हैं ये वाला last one. We will see this. Some functions related to number systems. Some built-in functions built-in में कभी कभी at some books or some places you may also find inbuilt. So that is same, built-in or inbuilt. That means it's already there. It's existing with Python by default. This is present in Python by default. So built-in functions are related to number system conversion. Okay. Right. चलो इसको I'll show you at command prompt. Just a minute. Is it visible font?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is happening? Okay, okay. Right. So let's say you have one integer. Okay, let's say you have a variable containing an integer 123. Okay, now if you want to convert it into binary, then there is a function known as bin, bin. If inside the bin function you pass that number, integer number, as an argument, okay, it will return and it will print, or it will display you the binary equivalent of that number. Can you see? So initially 0b means it is in binary number system. Okay. If it is in hexadecimal number system, initially it will start with 0x. Okay. And this after 0b, whatever number is there, that is the binary equivalent. तुम यहाँ पे convert करके देख लोगे 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So apart from 4, all will add. So you will see that it comes as 123. Okay.
Sir, so B stands for binary.
Bin stands for binary. Acha, ye number mein, yeah, 0b, yeah, correct. 0b means it has got no other significance. It simply means whatever follows next is to be treated as a binary number. Okay. Let's say if you want to print, let me see if I remember correctly, octal format, the function I guess is oct. Yeah. So now here you will see it starts with 0O. That means octal. In octal, the equivalent of 123 is 173. Okay.
Sir, why 0, sir?
अब जिसने वो बनाया है, the person who has designed this has put it that way. ठीक है. Okay. In fact, I don't have any proper explanation for that. वो ऐसा है ही. That is that way only. Okay, let me see if it is correct. Yeah. For hexadecimal, you will use hex. Okay. So 123 equivalent of 123 in this hexadecimal number will be 7b. Okay. So that means 16 to the power 1 into 7. That means 7 multiplied by 16 plus b is what? AB 11. 11 multiplied by 1 will give you that number. Okay. So वो देख लो. It should come same. Anyways.
So for Pentel, what is it?
Pentel
Like
number system
that's
नहीं है.
what
See
is
what I have said,
Pentel?
Kevin. That is not a number system. I've just told you if it was there, then it would have followed the same rule. Are you getting me?
Sir.
Kevin,
Yes,
only
sir.
these four are
Yes.
number systems that are in use. What I am saying is that if Pentel number system is not in use, however, if you want to use, the rules will remain same for the conversion. That was for your logic and understanding. Just to show that the general rules apply for any number system conversion. Okay, it's applied in general.
Okay.
But the majorly used number systems are these 2, 3, or 4 that we are using. Okay, right. Even I guess let us try. Can we convert int to binary to int? Can you see? It converted. Right. तो ये 0b से start हुआ, तो it understood कि whatever follows is to be treated as a binary number. The moment you can put it inside int function, what happened is it converted to, it gave you the integer equivalent. Okay, is it clear? इसी तरह interchangeably you can use to convert these built-in functions to convert from one number system to other. इसमें कुछ समझाना नहीं है. There is nothing to explain. You just have to keep in mind. So I'll write it here. Which functions you should remember? Bin, then oct, hex. What is the starting of hexadecimal? Dekho 0x.
X, sir. 0x.
X and of course int. Right. So what is the starting? Starts with
0b.
0b. This one starts with
0o.
0 starts with 0x. Okay, and ये तो by default ऐसे ही रहता है without any prefix. Okay. So we have seen these two topics. These two are done. Okay. Right. Now we will see programs related to number system conversion. The question can be, write a program to accept an integer in decimal number system अच्छा क्लास के बारे में नहीं पता था. Anyways, there was nothing conceptual. You have entered at the right time. From here only we are starting something discussion which is relevant and more important. These things you can just go and refer to the recording first 10 minutes. Okay. Write a program to accept an integer in decimal number system and print it in print its binary representation without using built-in methods, using bin built-in method. bin से तो हमने देखा था, it directly converts integer into your binary number. Built-in function, sorry. Before we do that, do you remember we had done one program to print the sum of its digits and some similar questions? How do we find the sum of the digits or total number of digits in an integer? Okay.
Sir, we'll divide it by 10 and the remainder will be the first digit. Then like
correct.
that will.
Then integer division by 10.
While loop will use and we'll get all the digits.
Correct. And this we will repeat till the number becomes 0.
0.
Okay. ठीक है, just give me 1 minute. I'll have some water and come. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, sir, if we type CHR of 0B and a binary number, will it automatically convert it to decimal and then give us the answer in ASCII code, or does it
Computer. When you have computer, why are you asking me? CHR of?
any binary number, sir?
One is 7. Okay. अच्छा. What? Tell me 65 का क्या होगा? जल्दी से convert करके बताओ. Tell me. It's for you. What will be the binary equivalent of 65?
Just give me a minute, sir.
So 1, 5 zeros and 1.
1, 5 zeros and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Okay. Let us check. Tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that doesn't mean, matlab, computer knows ki it is 65 only. It's a matter that ki you are taking 65 in decimal and somebody can specify in binary or hexadecimal. It doesn't matter. Number remains the same. Magnitude remains the same, right?
Sir, it is 6 zeros.
देखो अगर 65 पे A आ गया ना, that means that answer is correct. It should be 6 zeros नहीं होगा. अंकित verify करो. Rolvin, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it doesn't which it should be an integer, and in whichever number system you specify, it doesn't matter. But yes, in our programming we will mostly use decimal number system because we are most familiar with that, and that is the most prevalently, or you can say most of the people around the globe, or universally used. Okay, इसीलिए we'll stick to that. But yes, we should know how to handle if we, in case we have to we come across such a number system or any number in such a different number system. Okay. Ankit, is it clear why it will be 5 zeros and not 6 zeros?
Yes, sir, got it.
Right. So we will recall one program. What was that program? How to find the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, let's say if the number is 123, how do you find it? So let's say A is equals to 123. You will write while, or S is equals to 0 while A is greater than 0. Okay? Last digit will be equals to, how do you get a last digit?
123 divided by mod 10, sir.
Mod 10.
That means not 123, we'll write A here. Because we have taken A in a variable. This 123 in a variable identified by A. 10. So any number when divided by 10, then whatever is the remainder is nothing but the last digit itself. And then you can do S is equals to S plus LD. Right? And then once you have got the last digit, then you will truncate the last digit, or you will trim the last digit. How do you trim? A is equals to?
A is equal to A integer division 10.
Integer division, इसको floor division भी कहते हैं. Okay. So by 10. Right? So this will go on, and at the end you will print
S.
So if you observe carefully, are you not doing the same thing? 123 divided by 10, it gave you 12, remainder was 3. 120, the 10 again, if you divide it, you will get what? 1, remainder will be 2. And if you again divide by 10, 0, it will give you 1. And then you write in reverse order. Are you not getting 123? Of course, decimal है तो same आ गया, right? So can we do something like, okay, just to print while, let's say a is equals to 123 or कुछ idea लगा किसी को? Anyone having any idea what we can do?
Print LD, sir.
Sir, a mod 2.
A mod 2 and
Sir, the a integer division 2.
2, correct. ये basic फंडा होगा उसका. Yeah, Aditya is also correct. Most of you have got wherever there is 10, you will make it 2. But how to get the numbers? So पहले तो ये कर सकते हो. Let's say, what is this? You leave it first. मान लो a is equals to 123, and then you will write while a is greater than 0. Okay. Then you will write, let's say one of the digits is x. Okay. Then x you will write as a mod 2. What is this? This is the remainder. Okay, this remainder को हम लोग x से denote कर रहे हैं. In case of division by 10, that remainder also happens to be the last digit. इसलिए इसको last digit लिख दिया. Let's say we'll give it a meaningful name. Remainder r. Okay, and then the moment we get r, let's say I am taking it as a string, empty string. Can we do s is equals to s plus r will be what? Remainder will be integer. Can you concatenate s with integer? Can you concatenate s with r? Is it a valid expression?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So what we have to do?
String of r.
str r.
Correct. Str of
R.
Okay. And then a is equals to integer division 2. Print s करोगे, will you get the correct answer in binary?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Should we do s plus
Sir,
str
it'll be
Yes.
it'll be in string.
Huh?
We should convert it to int and then print it.
Why?
Because
Int
if not,
is
it'll be in
int
s will be a string,
already-
sir.
If you put it inside int again, then it will again become integer.
Okay. No, sir. S is a string.
Huh.
So we'll put s inside int, so it'll become an integer.
Okay, देखो. पहले Rolvin, I'll clear one thing here. Tell me, let's say a is equals to 123. B is equals to string 123. Print int of a and print int of b. Tell me, will both will be correct? What will be the output, or will there be any error? Anything?
Sir, should we reverse it the order of the?
We'll print.
Ullas, I'll come to you later. 1 minute.
We'll
Yes,
print 123 and 123, sir, on the next line.
next line also. So did this make any difference? As till the time this string is eligible to be converted into integer, is it giving any error?
No, sir.
No. So why do you think if it is string and if it is not an integer, it will be causing any problem here?
Sir, we'll get the answer in string, but when we want to use it like later on,
That is correct. That
like
is
for some
correct.
calculation purposes, yeah.
I got your point. I got your point. So, but That is not right now we are ignoring that aspect.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Rolvin का mic से थोड़ा कुछ echo आ रहा था. It's okay. Yes, Ullas, you were saying something.
Sir, we should reverse the order because even
Correct.
in the division thing will take
Because
reverse.
this remainder should be added in the reverse order. So therefore, this is not correct.
STR of R plus S.
Correct. It should be. I'll try run this program. Don't worry. Of R plus S. Okay. Now you will get the answer. So पहले ये बताओ, on the first go, how many people, how many of you were able to understand this? And how many of you were not able to understand? This is similar to this approach. Here we divide by 10 for getting the sum of the digits, where LD is nothing but the remainder. Okay, whatever remainder we are having, we are just in a string concatenating it in the reverse order so that we do not get the from up to down sequence of the remainders, but down to up sequence, which will be a correct binary representation. Yeah. Yes, let me know, Kevin, did you understand? And others?
Sir, almost.
Almost
But
the
then
नहीं समझ गया इसमें या तो कंप्यूटर में either you understand full or you don't. Okay.
So can you explain the last part again?
Which part? Why did I reverse?
Last one. Last 2 lines. 2-3 lines.
तो वो तो पूरा प्रोग्राम ही हो गया फिर. Okay, I'll do it. Just a minute. Let me copy it so that I can take it to the next page. Okay. See, what I will do is I will solve it or dry run it. मान लो first number is, let's take a smaller number, not that one. इतना बड़ा नहीं लेते हैं. 10. We know that what is the binary representation of 10? 1010. Okay, we should get output as 1010. So when you start it, let's say I'm dry running it. Okay. देखो, first line, a memory location will be reserved with empty string, which will be identified or labeled as S in the memory of the computer. Second line, another block will be reserved, which will be identified by A and having the value 10. Okay, that is integer type. Now you are telling while A is greater than 0, is the value of A greater than 0? Yes. A,
yes, sir.
Which is 10 currently, is greater than 0. So it will get inside the body of the while loop. The moment it gets inside the body of the while loop in the first round, I am talking about the round number 1, when it gets inside the body for the first time, a memory block will be created, identified by R, and what will it contain? You are dividing that A, which is 10, by 2, and you are taking out remainder.
0, sir.
So 5, remainder will be 0. So this 0 will be put inside R. So this is in the first round. Okay. So in the first round, R becomes 0. Now S, which is currently empty, the right side of the expression will be evaluated first. So let's say I will write for S plus str. S plus str of R. मान लो ऐसा होता, ठीक है, पहले ये देखते हैं, then we will see why I reversed it. So if you do s plus str, what will be the value of s plus str? S, which is s plus str of r. Okay, so this will be this will result in empty string plus concatenation of r, which is 0, converted to string. So this 0 will be converted to string, so it will become like this. Okay, so empty string when concatenated to a string containing 0 will be converted to 0. Okay, and then this will be assigned to s. So now s will become, so this after evaluation here, this side will be assigned back to s. So now the latest value of s after the end of the first round will be string containing 0. And what is that 0? This is the remainder obtained first time. Now then a will become the quotient, or integer division से क्या आता है, quotient आता है. So you get quotient. So what was quotient? 5. A will become 5. ठीक है, this will be evaluated and will be put back into A. So A will become 5. ठीक है. Now you will go back again to the header of the while loop and you will again check A. What is the latest value of A? 5. So at the beginning of the second round of the loop, A is greater than 0, that is 5. The last value of A, that is 5, is still greater than 0. It will again go back inside for the second time. In the second time, this A, what was the value of A? 5, will again be divided by 2 and remainder we will capture in R. So when this A, the latest value which was 5 in the beginning of the second round, will be divided by 2 again and the remainder will be captured in R. What will be the remainder? 2 times remainder will be 1. This will be the second value of R. Okay, this after calculation will go back to R. R will become what? 1, right? Now again in s plus str of s plus str of R will give you what? S, last value of s was 0, string 0, plus R, which is 1, integer 1, converted to, when converted to string, will become this. This after concatenation will become string 0, 1. Okay,
Yeah,
and
but
this
we
will
don't
again
want it, so we have reversed it.
देखो 0, 1. मैं complete ही कर देता हूँ इसे. Now again a by 2, a integer division 2 will give you 2, which will become the latest value, which will again be assigned back to a. So a will become again what? Integer division. तो इसको क्या आया था? Quotient 2. A will become 2. Okay. Now it will again go back to the beginning of the while loop. Header will be checked. If header results in true, then it will come inside. So let us check. A, last value of A was 2. 2 is still greater than 0. Okay, so third round of the loop will start. It will get inside the body. What is R? Now R is again when you divide the last value of A, that is 2, when divided by 2 again, whatever will be the remainder will be captured
0.
in R. What is the remainder?
0.
0. This is the third value of R in the third round of the loop. So R will become what? 0. Now again this expression s plus str. What is s plus str of R? Last value of s was string 0, 1, plus when integer 0 is converted to string will become string 0. After concatenation it will give 0, 1,
0,
0.
1, 0.
Okay, and a integer division 2 or float division 2 will again give you what? Sorry, यहाँ पे तो मैंने
Sir, you have to put 1 there.
1 there. Yeah, 1. So now you can see here A, which is the quotient. Quotient is what? 1. So this will again be assigned to A. Okay, so 1, A becomes 1. Right. Now, again, it will go back to the beginning of the while loop header. So is A, the last value of A, which is 1, is it greater than 0? Yes, it is still greater than 0. So fourth round of the loop will start. That means fourth time it will get inside the body of the while loop because the header resulted in true. Now what is R? R is again A, last value of A was 1. When divided by 2, whatever remainder it gives, 2. It is complicated. Yes, it is complicated to write the program in CMD. That's why we prefer script mode. ये तो मैंने पहले ही शुरू में ही बताया था. Okay, let me complete this. So again, you will divide here A1 by 2. Okay. So again, 0 times. Remainder will be what? 1. So this is the fourth value which will be captured in R in the fourth round of the loop. So R will become what? 1. Now S plus str of R will give you string last value of S was 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 plus string of when R is converted into string, that is integer 1 is converted to a string, will become this one. So S will become what? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. And then this quotient will be assigned to A because integer division करने के बाद whatever was the quotient left after integer division or floor division of A, that will be captured in A. A will become what? 0. Now it will again try to go back to the header. वहाँ पे जाएगा. This header will be tested. So what was the last value of A? Last value of A became 0. 0 is not greater than 0. So it will exit and you will print this sequence. So what sequence will be printed? The last value of S was 0, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1.
But is it the answer? No.
No.
Why? Because we need the concatenation in reverse order.
Reverse order.
ठीक है. अब या तो तुम ये कर दो यहाँ पे. If you want to make it correct, you can also do this way. क्या कर सकते हैं? Slicing कर दो negative इसके साथ. You can do slicing in negative way. Either you can do this. ये कर दो या नहीं तो if you want to print, this is one way, or here itself, when you are concatenating, concatenate in reverse order. You remember we had discussed the palindrome of a string. So you can do str of R plus S. ताकि जब ये concatenate ही हो तो वो reverse order को it will give you the reverse order. Okay. This is print S. Okay. Therefore, use S is equals to str of R plus S, ठीक है, and not S is equals to S plus R. ये बताओ, who was asking? नैनिका, देखो, were you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With difficulty or with ease? समझ में आना ठीक है, पर ऐसा नहीं कि forcefully you should understand. It should be very crystal clear. Okay. What about others?
It was somewhere in the middle, sir.
Somewhere in the middle. बताओ कहाँ पे middle में? Where are you stuck in the middle?
No, sir. It took me a while to understand, but I understood it. Like.
अच्छा, now you understood ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Okay, Kevin. गौरव है ना? गौरव तो पता नहीं, बोलता ही नहीं है कुछ.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Others as well.
Understood.
Now, can you write a program to convert one number from octal to, or let's say binary, this decimal to octal?
Yes, sir.
क्या करना होगा? What change we will make?
A divided by
8 mod
जहाँ
8.
भी 8, wherever you
Mod
have
8,
two in the body, make it 8.
We'll make it 8.
Okay. What about hexadecimal?
Replace 2 by 16, sir.
16.
हो जाएगा? That
No,
will be-
sir. The
No, sir. And then
characters.
yeah.
So in that case, वो try करना, try it out. उसमें I'll just give you a hint. In hexadecimal, apart from dividing by 16 everywhere, mod 2 and integer division 2, वो दोनों जगह 16 के अलावा, in addition to that, if r happens to be greater than 9 and less than equals to 16, then accordingly check करो. If r is 10, make r as a. If r is 11, make r as b.
if and if else.
Sir, so we need
if
to
else,
make
if else भी लगेगा. Before you
If else.
concatenate with s, here, I'll
sir,
just
it
give,
become big, sir.
it will become a bit, not ज़्यादा नहीं, 4-5 lines of if else. Here you will have to check if r is equals to 10, then in the body r is equals to a. ठीक है, elif, ठीक है, उस तरह करके r is equals to 11, make r as b.
Can't this be written as one single line?
How? Try करो, don't ask me. Try it out. It's good to fail and learn. And if you succeed, teach me also. ठीक है? So similarly, you can try for octal to 100%. Octal method, there is no need to apply much brain here. Just make 2 as 8 and then you will get the things. Okay? ये clear हो गया? बताओ.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing. See, the moment you get your papers, I'll request कि उस paper को मिलने के बाद see your mistakes and don't leave it. Yeah, उस पे भी आएंगे आदित्य. You think you take 2 minutes while I'm discussing this, कि how you can solve the problem, how you can make add 0b 0x like that. Okay, so what I was saying is, when you get back the paper in all the subjects, not only in mine, what we generally do is कि चलो ठीक है, out of 70 I got 65, 60, 50, 40, जो भी आए. Marks is important, but more important is analyzing your mistakes. Okay, so once you get your papers, if I have written some comment and to many students I have written कि send me back again, मतलब कि solve the question again and then send me the solution. And if you are stuck, let me know. Okay. So wherever you have made mistake, that means that is a flaw in your concept or that is lack of practice. Consolidate it that very day. Okay. Just don't be relaxed कि you got 65. So वो 5 marks देखो where you have made mistake and you should find out the answer to that. Okay. So even if many people I have seen going wrong in Armstrong number or वो सब में, ठीक है. So that was very simple question, but still you will, if you have gone wrong, you should send me the solution of the correct program after understanding. And if you are stuck, that also you should tell me कि sir I am not able to solve. Okay. So Aditya is asking, okay, fine, कि this will, if I use this approach, 10 will be displayed as 1010. But shouldn't the output come as 0B1010? In proper
String formatting, sir.
हाँ, string formatting भी कर सकते हैं, but can we do something else? यहाँ पे what you can do is concatenate कर दो ना 0B before it after the body of the loop. Now is it correct? Now output 0B 1010. Is it clear now why I did this 0B before? So that what is the standard format that is retained? 0B 1010. 1010 is the standard format. 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 1010 is the standard for ओके अगर वो ऑक्टल में कर रहे हो डिवाइडेड बाय 8 mod 8 वो सब कर रहे हो देन यू शुड मेक दैट 0 राइट ओके ठीक है सो ये कन्वर्जन्स का सारा प्रोग्राम लिखने का कोशिश करना राइट टुडे इटसेल्फ okay similar approach okay just a minute class one okay fine
Sir,
ah
what is the highest in the class marks?
highest in the
Computer
class
science.
is my paper
Yes, sir.
till now 2 people have got 38 okay I have not corrected all in fact to be precise I have not corrected yours
Okay, sir.
अभी तक 38 30 के ऊपर में I think few people have got I remember किसका I have corrected Bharat I have corrected Ankit Rolvin उल्लास और भी 1-2 लोगों का किया नैनिका का करेक्ट किया है पूजा okay so yes उसमें 4-5 people have got more than 30 okay anyways marks में बता दूंगा शाम तक anyways even if other teachers are not able to fill that marks by that time I'll individually send you mine ठीक है मैं कंप्यूटर का marks बता दूंगा खैर so what we will do is चलो अब और ज्यादा नहीं खींचूंगा इसे आज रहने देते हैं one part is left very small part next class will take in for first 5-10 minutes में I'll take up this so this is remaining applications and why we use so this we will cover also with some of the topics like tokens character set ये सब के साथ character set and string formatting. These are some small topics which are remaining. इसको next 1 or 2 classes में we will cover. Let me stop the recording. One or two important things I have to discuss that I'll tell you now.